Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate candy bar brownies. It's nearly Halloween, so this is a great way to enjoy Halloween candy. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And then in a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, and salt, and whisk the ingredients until they're well combined. And set it aside for now. And then in a smaller bowl, add in the melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and mix them together until they're combined. And for the chocolate bars, you can use whatever you like. I'm choosing to use Kit Kats, Hershey bars, peanut butter cups, and M&Ms, but you can use whatever you like, and you can choose however much you like. But try not to add too much, because you don't want more candy bars than brownies. So you'll need to chop up the chocolate bars into small pieces. And add them into the brownie batter and mix them in until they're combined. Then grease a 9-inch square baking pan. And pour the batter into the pan and spread it out until it's even. And I'm choosing to add the M&Ms on top. And if you like, you can add more chopped chocolate bars to the top too. And bake them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Try not to overbake them. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for about 10 minutes, and you can serve them while they're still warm if you like. And that's how to make chocolate candy bar brownies. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.